Guys, thank you for tuning into my video. Today I'll be showing you how to make slime or silly putty. What you'll be needing is Elmer's school glue, Tide washing detergent, food coloring, and a spoon or something to mix it all with. And let's not forget a bowl. So first what you'll be doing is mixing the Elmer's glue into the bowl. I only use one bottle. If you want more, if you want a bigger ball of slime, then you can use 2 bottles. And I didn't want to waste any product, so I made sure I got everything out of that bottle. And next we're going to be adding in the Tide clothing detergent. I only poured in about half a cap full. And I actually didn't pour all of it in, I just poured enough just to start mixing it in with. And now we're going to mix all of that together until it starts to clump up and become more of a form. So there you see I'm mixing it in. And then I slowly added some more, just a little bit of detergent. The detergent is what makes it actually form into a ball rather than the sticky paste that it is. And the more detergent that you put, the better it's gonna come out. As you can see, it is still a bit sticky. What I decided to do was actually go ahead and pick it up and try to form it, but it was still so sticky. So what I would recommend, instead of picking it up while it's still rather sticky, go ahead and mix more detergent and spin it around in the bowl, mix it around with the spoon. And what I did to actually get it to stop being so sticky is I added just a little bit more detergent while it was in my hands. Here I added just a little bit more detergent. Okay guys, so what I did, I actually went to go wash my hands because the glue was everywhere. But I came back to it and it was already starting to form into a solid state, so I was able to mix it up a little better and play with it. I actually did end up adding just a little bit more detergent because it was still a bit sticky. And as you can see here, it's actually all finished now. And then next, what we're going to do is add our food coloring just to give it a little color. It's optional, you don't have to if you don't want to, or you can add glitter, you can add foam, you can do whatever you want to make it whatever you want it to be. Okay guys, so here's the finished results. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Hope you stay tuned for the next one. Comment and subscribe. Thank you.